Ever wondered how much a single drop of water is worth? Or the value of a grain of sand? Probably not. But what if I told you something as seemingly insignificant as a digital token could be worth real money? And I'm not talking pennies or dimes, we're talking about something that could potentially change your life. Let's talk about neon. You've probably heard the term cryptocurrency thrown around a lot lately. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, these names are almost household now. But what about neon? It's a cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the crypto world, but it's still relatively new. So, the burning question is, how much is one neon actually worth in good old-fashioned US dollars? Before we dive into the numbers, let's get a quick grasp on what neon is. In essence, it's a digital asset that operates on a blockchain. Think of it as a digital piece of gold, but with a lot more complexity. Neon is built on the Ethereum platform, which means it benefits from Ethereum's robust infrastructure while offering its own unique features. Now, the value of a cryptocurrency, unlike traditional currencies, isn't determined by a government or central bank. It's dictated by supply and demand in the market. When more people want to buy neon, its price goes up. Conversely, if more people are selling, the price drops. It's a delicate balance influenced by a multitude of factors including technology advancements, market sentiment, and even news headlines. So, how much is one neon worth right now? Well, that's where things get interesting. The cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile. What it's worth today could be drastically different tomorrow. To get the most accurate and up-to-date price, you'd typically check a cryptocurrency exchange platform. These platforms list real-time prices for various cryptocurrencies, including neon. But let's say for argument's sake, one neon is currently worth 50 cents. That's a hypothetical number, just to give you a frame of reference. Remember, this can fluctuate rapidly. Now, this might not seem like a lot, but it's important to consider the potential. If neon gains traction and its value skyrockets, even a small investment could yield significant returns. However, investing in cryptocurrency is risky. It's not like putting your money in a savings account. There's a chance you could lose everything. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the market, and only invest what you can afford to lose. So, while we can give you a snapshot of neon's value at a specific moment, it's essential to approach cryptocurrency with a long-term perspective. The real value might not be in today's price, but in its potential for growth and the technology it represents. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.